Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Psycho Karen at Her Door, Ends Poorly.
On May 23rd, 2025, officers responded to a residence for a call of a domestic dispute.
We had an open door, so you give us code one.
Yeah, we had an alcoholic walk over here and I rushed her out.
Okay, all right, come on here and talk to me. Tell me what's going on. Just settle down. Come over here.
Okay, we have these bizarre neighbors
Okay, come on.
Yeah,
who are alcoholics.
We're 10-12.
And they come in and out of here every day. They're always hurt.
Okay, you don't have to yell at me. I'm standing right
I
here.
have called police 3 times with people.
Yelling at me.
I don't know
and
you.
Tell me what's going on. I don't know you either.
I don't want to talk to you, police officers.
All right, well, it doesn't matter.
Are you hurt?
Have to.
No, I don't.
Ma'am, are you hurt?
You do. She's got.
Does it look like I'm hurt?
Yes, it does.
I've called police 3 times, trespassers.
Well, it looks like you got a little bit of scratch there. So what happened?
Yeah, nothing happened.
Nothing happened?
No.
Okay. Nobody else is inside?
Yeah, no one else inside.
Okay, well, listen, man, we just wanted to figure out what was going on. Somebody.
We have neighbors here and not here abusing family. It's not normal.
Okay. So who else is inside?
My husband.
Okay. He didn't hit you?
No, he didn't. We got into an argument as an adult.
Is he okay?
No, he's not then.
He's not what? He's not.
I don't care. It's not your business.
Well, actually, I need to make sure that everybody's
He's fine,
okay.
actually.
So I need to make
It
sure
was with
he's
a neighbor.
okay.
You're not going to cut my husband involved in this. You can get the f out.
We're gonna check on him.
I have to
No,
make sure
then
he's
go
okay.
check on him and sleep like a baby tonight. Fuck you.
Stand over there.
Get the f out of my house.
So-
No, you guys are going to hell.
Okay, so you don't want to report anything?
I don't want to report your bullshit.
Okay, just go ahead and check on him.
209 units, code 4.
Code 4.
You're checking on a husband who's had enough today.
Can we go in and check on him?
Not really. This is our living space. Really, really.
Well, at first you said we could check
No,
on him.
no, no. At first you stooped up on us because of a nosy neighbor. We have asked 3 times to leave. She's mentally incapacitated.
Is she the one that hit you?
No, no, no. My husband and I get into an argument as an adult.
So he's the one that hit you?
No, he's not the one that hit me.
So how did you get the cut?
From my husband having an argument because this woman walking in and interfering.
So he did
You're not
hit
going to
you.
take my husband to the county
So
jail.
he did hit you.
No, he didn't.
I'm just confused.
No, you seem confused. Do not bother us again.
Okay. Brave, go
You're
inside and make sure
mentally
he's
ill
okay.
for asking me if my husband hit me.
Clearwater Police. What's your husband's name?
It's John, a normal person.
Hey, John. John, I just need to check on you.
I'm just letting you know, there's been people in and out of this Clearwater
I
here.
got you. So it was these
Neighbors
people?
included.
It was these people?
No, it was everybody. If
Okay.
you're fucking deaf.
No, but you said neighbors.
No, it's everybody.
Okay.
It's everybody here.
Okay, I got you. Just making sure.
We don't care. Not even a little.
So I just want to make sure.
No, no, no.
He
You
didn't
do your
hit you.
job correctly
I'm trying
and
to.
not assume somebody's me to me. Really, really.
Okay, so I just want to make sure your husband did not hit you.
My husband and I got into an argument as an adult.
Got into an
This
argument.
little woman instigated everything. Between an argument between me and my husband. You're not going to get a restraining order between me and my husband.
That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to figure out what neighbor it was. Which one? Yeah, she does. No, just her, but she. Well, nobody's injured. She has a minor scratch, but she doesn't
I
want
have a
anything.
scratch. It's not a big of a deal. We've been asking people in and out of here because trespassers.
But she's not willing to tell me how she got it or who gave it to her, so.
Okay, my husband's not in trouble. I'm little.
I didn't say that.
He has had people influencing him in and out of here. Really, really.
Okay.
We're just
Random people we have no
So
teeth.
these are the fire
We're just
department.
here just medically for you.
Yeah, I have scratch in my eye.
Okay, all we need is a refusal from you. If you don't want to go to the hospital and get checked out, that's all we're here for. So if you don't want to go to the hospital,
I don't want to go under Baker Act. They Baker Act me every day.
we're not Baker Acting you. We're not even doing anything. We're just
Okay.
If you want to go to the hospital, you go to the hospital. If you don't want to go to the hospital, we sign a refusal.
I don't want to go to the
That's it.
hospital. We are fine until these neighbors come in and out and think they're our neighbors.
Okay.
We have this woman next door who's actually insane. Sometimes.
This
And we have these people who always look at us.
anytime you go to the hospital, give us a call. Okay?
Put your hands behind your back, man.
Settle down. Don't do anything. I'm gonna talk to. I'm gonna go over everything with you. Okay.
I'm going to Baker.
Nope.
Why?
We will explain everything to you here in just a second.
Why am I being arrested?
I will. This officer here will explain.
Why am I being arrested? I'm just
I'm gonna
wondering.
go through everything with you. All right.
We are going to explain everything.
Really?
in great detail. Promise.
Yep.
Something must be up with the husband.
Just gonna make sure these
This
don't
is
get
my
any
house.
tighter on you.
Yep.
I was about to go under Baker Act ass to call the police 3 times.
No, we're not Baker acting you. Don't worry. That's.
I don't want to go back to the county jail. It was terrible in the uniform. Really, really.
I bet it was.
It was absolutely terrible in the uniform.
I got it.
Why am I under arrest?
He's gonna talk to.
Are you stupid?
212, 209, 110, 15.
So problem is, we know something happened. You're saying nothing happened. What
My
John's.
husband's manic with these people.
Come on, just keep walking. I'll get you some slides.
I just got back to this county jail and it was completely ignorant.
I'll take care of him and getting everything from him if you want to stick with him.
Yeah, if you could just find.
Yeah, I'll try talking to people.
Don't worry, I'm gonna come talk to you as soon I'm gonna read through your rights too, so pay close attention to those.
Okay. What am I in trouble for? Okay.
Where you going?
We'll get, no,
Do you
I'm
have
gonna
anything?
go lawyer since you're bringing back in here.
Do you
I don't
have
have shit,
on you
man.
that's gonna get you in trouble?
No, I don't have drugs.
Okay.
Those weren't even mine.
No, I'm not gonna do an in-depth
Okay,
search.
we're gonna have a major problem with my mother.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Why am I under arrest? What are my charges?
I'm gonna come talk to you right now.
Yeah, I would like to know. What are my charges?
Sit here.
Okay.
The second caller.
Yeah, it's Aubrey. What are my charges for being in my house?
Aubrey, listen, you're obviously under arrest.
For what?
I'm gonna go through it all with
No, I want to know.
Listen, you have the right to remain silent.
For what?
Anything you say can and will be used against you.
For what?
You have the right to have an attorney with you.
For what?
Any questions?
What the is it for?
The attorney will be provided at no charge.
Okay,
to
you don't make sense. Just get in your fucking car and drive. I don't want to hear anymore, dumbass. Shut the up.
Okay. All right. So you're under arrest for domestic battery on.
I pushed my husband off me. I have a scratch in my eye. Are you stupid?
That's not what you
Get the away. Just drive me to the airport.
That's not
Shit.
what you told us.
Yeah. No. Shut the man.
Was there anybody else there?
There was this woman who walked up to me, and me and my husband pushed her away at the same time.
That's what you said.
This is my home. Are you?
Yeah, this is why it's important to say your side of the story if you are going to talk, right? For example, she may have they both, her and her husband, may have marks, right? But if the husband has said, X, Y, and Z happened, and she is sticking up for her husband and not saying anything, then they're going to go off of what the husband is saying, X, Y, and Z, or what they see, what they believe, right? Now she's in the car and she's saying what happened, like, whatever, someone got pushed and I got a scratch and yada, 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 whatever the case may be. But it's too late for that. Too late for that, man. I got to give a kudos to that other officer, not the one that stayed outside with her, because clearly this lady has some mental health issues or something is up with her. She ain't really wrapped too tight. You know what I'm saying? But the way that the officer was communicating with her, staying calm, poised, he kept it together, even though she's yelling, hooting, and hollering. He stayed calm, talked in a low voice, and just in a more like understanding voice. Like, let me understand you, what's going on here. And that is a great way for you to try to de-escalate a situation. Now, clearly the situation didn't get de-escalated, but I'm sure he has had, moments and stuff like that where he has talked in a similar tone, and it has brought in the whole mood down because she is on 10, right? And the way that he's talking is more on like a 4-3. So he's trying to bring her 10 down to maybe like a 5. And it didn't work, but it was refreshing to see, honestly. I think his communication skills were pretty good.
Get the away! Go away! Don't come back here again!
It's important to be true.
No! You are being sued!
Questions?
Do not contact me again! Drive far! Don't come back here!
What was she was stabbing it with this?
She hit the door with his
Okay. Got my back for a sec, Corp. Oh wow, yeah, that works.
Too much. That's it. It's a bit aggressive.
That is so.
Open that door. That would have gone right into you.
Do you don't have to. Okay, your verbal statement's more than enough. But are you willing to write a written statement? You don't have to.
I'd rather not.
Okay, that's 100% fine. One thing I'm going to say to you, just as a personal, in case this is obviously a dangerous scenario, you need to be safe. This is not going to get better.
Nope.
It's going to end up with one of you. I don't like saying that, but I've been a cop for almost 10 years. He's been longer, and he's a homicide detective. He can tell you better than anyone, you're going to end up, or she's going to end up either from defending herself. So
You can say as much as you want in your head that it's not going to happen, but
is that normal? Like, I'm just trying to hammer it home for you. Is that normal?
No.
No. So you need to get some help and make sure she stays away. So
The woman was charged with domestic battery and disorderly conduct. Thanks for.
That all sounds good in theory, right? But what the officer is failing to understand is that he's probably going to stay with her. You know why? The kitty cat is probably just that fire. We got to be real here. We have to be honest, okay? We got to be honest. Listen, the crazy ones be the ones with that fire. They the ones with that fire, man. I'm telling you. So my guy, he don't know what to do. In his best interest, he should leave the situation. 100%. She cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. But sometimes guys just, they stay in it, man. And the same works in reverse too. You know what I'm saying? There's guys that could be, abusive and playing mind games and all that stuff. And then the woman stays, sometimes the woman stays because they're being manipulated and all that type of stuff. And, they fall for all of that. But another reason why women stay is because he just laying it down crazy, okay? He doing his thing. He putting in that work, man. He putting in that work. And so these are the things that's going on. These relationships are toxic, man. It's a revolving circle. They good for a couple of days, maybe a week. They get in a blow up fight and they get in an argument, and then it's just a revolving door or whatever. But while they getting into the fight and making up and all that stuff, it's just some of the crazy, passionate, you know what I'm saying? Feel good moments. I'm gonna just say feel good moments, okay? It's passionate, all right? They making up. But yeah, man, honestly, I think the officers did a fantastic job, man, de-escalating, trying to educate the brother and everything. But yeah, he probably ain't going nowhere. Okay, when she get out, they gonna have some. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be on like Donkey Kong in there, man. It's gonna be like, it's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get crazy. Good passionate, stuff. You know what I mean? But anyway, I get a cops 5 out of 5, man. De-escalation skills were great. I loved it, man. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and then I'm gonna catch you in the next video.